What's up guys, I have the code P0455, so we're going to replace the purge hose. Start off by taking off the top of the engine cover. It just pops off. I still got the code after I switched the purge valve cylinder, which is the top one right there, which is disconnect to. So now it's just the purge hose that's left. And that's where we're going to start off. Here it is. So if you guys can see there, see that? Press it from the rear and it opens up just enough. I don't know if you guys can see that in the video. Okay, so start disconnecting the hose from the valve solenoid. Just making space for it, removing it, put it on the side. Again, like I said guys, I'm only replacing the purge hose because it had a little crack where it connects to the purge valve solenoid, which is the one on the top left corner. Yeah, making sure it's the same. So old one out. So just got to transfer this part over. Just transfer this and that's it. But first, I don't want to bend that one too much. I'd rather do this one first. So should just clip in, I believe. It did. Just clipped in. So that's cool. And then, yeah, good enough for me. There you go, brand new, locked in. Tight. That's it for it all. So if you have the code P0455, this might help you out. Again, I did change out the purge valve solenoid first and the vapor canister in the rear. And the code did go out for a little bit, came back, but once I replaced this purge hose, which is common to crack, it's fixed the issue so far. Amazon links below to all the parts used today. Thank you for watching. Peace.